I am K. Prakash, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to do a case study on solar energy. Okay. So before going to the case study, we will have a small discussion on solar energy. Okay. What is the need for solar energy? Why we are going for solar energy? There is thermal energy, there is nuclear energy, there is wind energy, there is varieties of energies. Why we are choosing with solar energy? Can anybody tell me?
So comparing to others, it's low cost.
Cost wise the energy is very low.
So constantly it will be same. Like wind energy compared to wind energy, wind will come and go. While comparing to this, it will be constantly.
Okay. What is telling is, so wind energy cannot be get all over the throughout the periods of year or in all the places. But the solar energy can be get maximum. We can get the solar energy. Okay, any other points? Okay. So there is another thing. As we discussed in the previous video sessions, we have discussed the solar radiation based on the geography. Okay. So what is meant by geography? So based on the places, we can get the solar radiation. It may be varying. For example, if you go for the Rajasthan or desert areas, so there the lot of solar radiation is higher in range. Okay. When we are coming for a hill station, so there the solar radiation is very less. This is one condition. Coming to the second case, okay. So many of the peoples are living in the remote areas. Okay. So how this is possible? So we are having the thermal power plants or energy where they produce this, we are producing from one place. We have to transfer the electricity produced from energy from one place to another place. So the cost incurring in the transit of this energy is taking more and more. Okay. So nowadays, now also many of the tribal peoples are living in very remote places. So how the energy transfer is taking place there? How to take the energy? This is one condition. See. So if it is somewhat distance, we are using some poles or we are using some method to transfer the electrical energy or something. But think our case in the space. Is it possible to transfer the energy from here to space?
Storage methods.
We can use some storage method, but here we can't send the energy from here to there. Okay. So what is the recent Indian government tribute in this space? What milestone achievement they have made?
Southern pole they have landed.
Yeah, very good. They have southern pole. They have landed their satellite and the rover. Okay. So which is the organization which is involved in this?
Indian Research.
Indian Space Research Organization. Where is it?
Sriharikota.
It's the launching station is Sriharikota, the head office is Bangalore. Okay. So the ISRO is dealing with this launching of these satellites. Okay. So here, why the satellites are launched to the space? What is the purpose of launching these satellites? Why? What is the need to launch the satellites or rovers in the southern pole?
Data transfer is one of the main.
What is the purposes? We are seeing that the monsoon prediction, the climate change, weather predictions, everything has to be monitored. Okay. See now they are telling after 2 days the rain is coming. The weather is like that. How the precautions are made? So with the help of some research based on the data which is sent from the space. So here these satellites play a very important role. So these satellites play a very important role. Why now they have sent the space to identify whether there is the possibility of human living in that particular space. So we have discussed about the solar satellites. So now can you tell me how the solar satellites are running in the space? How the energy is equipped? Do you have any idea? They are placed the solar energy is vital role because the transfer of energy cannot be sent. So there we are using some, the launching missiles are using some fuels to carry the satellites. But after reaching the space, so this satellite has been detached and this satellite has been moving in the particular orbit. So when the satellites are moving in the particular orbit, it needs some energy to move. So that energy is the solar energy. That energy is solar energy. And then if we are going for rover, what is meant for rover? So rover is a vehicle like this, where a small setup which is used to go and locate the research areas, how the land and the samples is taking some photographs. So this rover has to be moved in the particular planet to find out whether to conduct the research. So how this rover is made to move? That is based on the solar energy. So the solar energy can be used to store the energy in the batteries. What is a battery? It is a batteries with lithium ion, all the batteries. This is a storage device. So energy from the solar energy can be stored in the devices. So the energy stored can be utilized in this rover and to move this rover. Okay. So in the last launch in the rovers, what they are told? For few days it was running because of the sunlight. After that they lost the signal. They told that again it takes some period to get the sunlight, so only we can make to move the rover or the satellite. So here solar energy plays a vital role. So this is important case study that we are concluding that. So this solar energy can be utilized where the transfer of energy cannot take place, especially in the satellites or in remote places. And if you go for Navy and all, there is also we are going far away in the sea. So there also we can use the application of the solar energy. Okay. So this is our case study on solar energy. Thank you.